everyone, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Robin Kay. I'm a Chalk Couture independent designer, and I'm so excited. Our new catalog that came out February 2nd kind of came out this time in phases because they didn't have all the product in yet. So this is the last phase, phase 3, and I'm really excited because I was an early bird and was able to order it earlier, but everything is in stock now. Of our new surfaces I just received today, and our new quick drying tool. This is our quick drying tool. It's got a little stand on it, and it's so much quieter, and it doesn't get as hot as a hair dryer or heating tool. Well, it will if you get this high, but I still don't think it gets that hot. But it's a lot quieter, and so that is first thing I got. I got these cute little bunnies, which I know a lot of designers that went to leadership have already been showing these. And what's cute there is the bunny duo transfer that goes with these, or you can, I've seen people use the mini buffalo plaid or just paint these. They're so cute, can't wait to use them. And next, I've got our vintage truck. So excited to see this. Our vintage trucks transfer. They've got a new one because it's got one that goes both directions, so you can chalk on both sides. And they also brought another thing that gives you these 4 pieces. It's an accessory, vintage truck accessories, and you get, in the accessory pack, you get these 4 pieces. This is so you can, let me get my catalog. It shows here on the bottom where you can put your truck on top. And then these pieces can go on the bottom, so it would look like this. And it'll go with your transfers. And that's really cool. I'm really excited. These things are huge though. But you can use them for other things too. And then we got, there's 4 of these. They're called Simple Shapes. They come in a 4-pack. They're 6 inches. You get 2 square, 2 round. They say you can use these with the farmhouse welcome signpost add-ons, or I know there's a lot of other things you can use these with. You can just punch a hole in it and hang it, but I'm going to be looking for what other people do, plus I've got some ideas of my own. And last new surface is our decorative cutting board. Now this is a surface that's not made to put food on or anything. You'd have to seal it with something food safe to do that. But I'm so excited to use this to decorate this for my kitchen. I'm going to be redoing my kitchen hopefully soon. And so I'm going to put the new colors that I'm going to be putting in my kitchen on this. And so I'll probably be showing this next week. So today's project I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using our Chalk Couture Aiden 9x12 board. This one I got in my designer kit. It's really nice, and it's also where you can put magnets on it. I'm going to be doing our Love Knows No Boundary transfer, and chalk paste I'm going to be using is our new Vogue Tulip. I'm also going to be using our Vogue Golden Hour, and they tell us these new creamy dreamy paste. You want to save this part to put back on it. And of course Storm, which is one of my older ones. So it's not the creamy dreamy paste. like the way it turned out, and I like our new in Vogue colors. The Tulip and the Golden Hour, they are good for this catalog only. And I'm really excited about our new project, new boards and surfaces, and I can't wait to show you how to use them. I hope you're excited, and I want to thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, like it, and have a great day, and bye. I will see you in the next video.